How to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's invert our Instagram right here. And from in there, you can just click on this profile icon. So click on that. And in here, you can see all the posts that you have. So just choose a post that you want to edit. So for me, this is that post. As you can see right here, I have three pictures. One is a picture with leaves, one is pink clouds, and one is gray clouds. So if you want to actually try to change the order, just click on the three dots up here, and then from in there, click on edit. So click on edit right there. And as you can see, it will appear like this. So what you can do is you can just click on this icon right there. So let's try it over again. You can just click on this trash can icon. So for example, let's try to delete this icon right here. Now after you have deleted that, then you can add it again to your Instagram. So you can just click on this again once you have done with that. And as you can see, it has been saved like that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.